For over 40 years, Hotsy has solved North America's toughest cleaning problems with rugged, industrial hot and cold pressure washers with hundreds of options that save time, money, and get the job done right. The X-Jet Long Range Nozzle is another innovative tool for those that need to reach wash areas up to 40 feet away. Not only does the X-Jet provide a powerful water stream to those hard-to-reach areas, it also allows chemical application as well. Detergents, insecticides, fertilizers, even acids can be applied through the X-Jet while bypassing the machine's pump, hose, trigger gun, and lance, protecting them from damage. The X-Jet comes standard with color-coded preset chemical orifices that allow you to meter or dilute to the product's recommended application strength. With 15 feet of chemical line and an inline on-off valve, you have a great range of mobility and a large wash radius. Whether washing the eaves of a house, spraying fruit trees, or eliminating a dangerous wasp nest, the X-Jet can turn those long-range problems into an economical remedy. You'll find the X-Jet Long Range Nozzle, plus a wide variety of other time-saving pressure washer accessories at your local Hotsy dealer. They have the expertise in solving your toughest cleaning problem. To find your local Hotsy dealer, visit our website at www.hotsy.com.